Let's make Jamaican red peas chicken soup. Mixing the flour for the dumplings. Flour, cornmeal, salt. Wash your hands. Nails must be cut and clean. Pour water into the flour mix bit by bit. Incorporate water with dry ingredients well, not too wet. You should have a dough like this. Cooked red kidney beans in enough water to make soup. Rest of ingredients: whole chicken chopped small and seasoned, yellow yam, red skin potato, carrot, zucchini, squash,
pimento,
rich coconut milk, fresh thyme, garlic, hot pepper, scallions. Start by adding the chicken and let cook for 5 minutes, then add all the other ingredients, cook for an additional 15 minutes. Add the coconut milk, thyme, pepper, scallions at the end and cook 5 minutes, then turn off heat. Look at this goodness!